Hey everyone! Today we are talking about how your personal data is protected in Europe. Don't worry, I will make it super simple. A long time ago, in 1995, the EU made a law called Data Protection Directive 95/46/EC. This law helped keep personal data safe, but technology changed a lot, and this law became too old. So in 2016, the EU made a new and better law called GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation. It gives stricter rules to protect personal data and applies to all companies in Europe. GDPR started on 25th May 2018, and after that, the old law was removed. GDPR applies to all EU countries, but also it applies to some non-EU countries like Iceland, Liechtenstein, and Norway. Together, these countries are called the EEA, the European Economic Area. GDPR is important because it protects your personal data, gives you more control over your information, makes companies follow strict rules. Let's say you buy shoes online. You enter your name, email, and payment details. Under GDPR, companies must ask for your permission before collecting your data. What happens if a company breaks GDPR rules? If a company breaks GDPR rules, they can get huge fines, up to 20 million euros or 4% of their yearly income. So, GDPR keeps your data safe and gives you more power over how companies use your information. Want to learn more? Join our EXIN privacy and data protection courses. Click the link in the description for details. Like, share, and subscribe.